welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, today I'm about to put a starter on this 2006 Toyota Sienna 3.3 engine. And I got the new starter here, ordered it off Amazon. Let me show you guys if I can get it open out the box. The new starter here. Not bad. This is not a reman, I think it's a brand new one. You can order it on Amazon. I think it was like $60 or something like that. So first step you want to do is take your battery out. Take your battery cables out because it started down in here, but I already loosened my cables up. So I'm going to take my battery out. Alright. Hold this right here. Alright. Yeah. Alright, guys, you gotta take this breather off right here. Got some 10 millimeters. First step, after the battery. Yeah. After the battery, you know how to do it. Hand it. Throw these in the box with the starter. Until that piece off. Just put your stuff to the side somewhere, guys. You know, wherever you know what I'm saying, you get it off it or whatnot. Let's see, first step here. And this also just pulls out. It's still connected to the breather box. But this is the starter right here. Let's see. Y'all can see I've been banging on it right here. Put me down on the road. And also I'm going to take this little piece up right here too, this little bracket. So hold on. Take this little piece off right into the breather. And I got to take that bracket off. I already loosened my screws, but oh crap. I'll get that out of there. Fell in there on top of my fan. Hopefully it shouldn't take me too long to do this, y'all. Be tripping, y'all. Ooh, look what we find. Isn't we find a little rat nest in here? What? And he been eating up my wires right here on my injectors. Oh, I hope ain't nothing in there, y'all. Oh. Now when they built this? Yeah, even my wires on my injector gonna be tripping. I'm gonna try to repair that. But I might not do it today, depends on how the car running when I do crank it up. But yeah. Okay, guys. Now take this off, this breather out your way. These are 10 millimeters right here. And you gotta snap up this right here. Y'all can see back there. Move that out your way. And the mass airflow sensor right here. Got a tab. Oh, there it is. Okay. I got a few more things I gotta get out of the way here. Gotta get my needle nose pliers, y'all, so I can take those hoses off. Okay, I got my needle nose. 90-degree angle needle nose pliers, guys. Let's take that off there. And then got the two lines right here. Make sure you remember which one, but this one has I think a number 1 on it or something. That way you can remember how to go back. I'm gonna put this one over here so I can remember, because it seems like both of them got a number 1 as I see. So I'm gonna put the one that go on the top over here so I can remember that one, that it go on the top there for the top, and this is the bottom one here. So make sure you guys remember that. You're taking it off. You gotta pull this hose off right here so we can get this breather off. Let's see here. That should be loosened enough back there. I'm looking for my little tab. I guess these just screw on. I don't know how many screws I got on it. Probably just one. Oh, snap. Probably just this one right here. Pull that off, King.
There.
Sit it back over there. No, right there. Seems like ain't nothing tighten up all the way on this thing. And it's probably gonna have some. Look like it's spinning on the bottom too. Yeah, it is. It's like the longest screw ever. God dang. Who put this in here? Did I put this in here? Cause y'all know I did put this engine in here, guys. Me and my husband some years ago. This is something I probably rigged up over here and forgot about it.
Oh my god.
I know, right? That's the longest screw ever, ain't it? Let's see if I can bring it up. Unless I probably got another one on the back side that I can't see yet. So y'all check around. I gotta put my light back in the back to see if I got another screw back there. I probably do though. Alright guys, we do got another screw back there, as you can see, but it's like a size 7 millimeter. I don't know how I got a 10 in the front and a 7 back here. I can't even hardly get it. The camera set where y'all can see it. But I got at least. Just gotta screw it all the way up. I don't know how long this screw is. Alright, there we go. Now. See if this thing comes up here. Yes, it comes up. You just pull your breather off, turn it. I can get it loose. I hope I got it loose. Maybe I didn't get it loose enough back there. Let's turn it some more over here. Alright. Just put that off to the side over that way. I need a filter. That thing dirty. I'll tell you the truth. You got a tear down there that'll let you move that box all the way out the way. So we're gonna take that off. And then I'll grab and move the box. And this screw right here, guys, I'm gonna leave it on because it's on to this bracket right here. I already took the bolts out of there. See. Covered up now. Okay, so it's, you got two right there, and then this one here. Get some rats or squirrels or something have some nuts in here. Alright guys, starter right there. It's light. So you got two bolts on the starter. One right here, you can see. One right there, and you got one over here. Then of course you got the wire that runs to the battery. And this one runs to the switch, I think. But unhook that. I gotta take that off. That look like it probably be a 13. Let me see here. No, that's gonna be a 12, guys. 12 millimeter. Exactly. One hand bandit, y'all. I hold this camera right. Yeah. And you pull that off of there. Move that to the side. Stick that back on down. Now, let's see what side these is. I'm gonna try a 14 first. Let me see. Yeah, that's the starter bolts is a 14 millimeter, guys. So get that set up. Okay, this is a 14 millimeter, guys. Over here, and screw it all the way out. Oh, y'all can see me screwing out over there. How long is it? Okay, it is. Alright, guys. Get back to taking this one off here. And you only got 2 screws in there, so it should be sweet and easy for you to do. 2 screws, let's just say that holds it on. Let me say that. Just wiggle it out of there, y'all. Tight fit. Now. There it is, guys. Alright, guys. I got the starter sitting back in here. Put a bolt right here. Then I'm doing my other bolt back here. Size 14. Just reel them all up. And get done, gonna crank it up hopefully, and we'll see how she running then. You gotta tighten them up. Don't forget, you got a screw right here, screw here. Then you got that, you gotta put this wire, battery wire back right here, and then the other little wire, whatever I did with it. I don't know, I think it dropped down there, but I'll find it and put it back in. Alright, guys, I got everything hooked up, back up, so just putting everything back on. Get all these nut things out of here. I can set that back, this box back down on here. How it's supposed to go. Put these screws back in here. Screw them down, guys. Get them tight up in there. Get all these. Let me see. Get this lined up. Oh, y'all can see that. I should try to crank it up before I put it all back together, but I think I'm gonna put it all back together because I got that massive airflow sensor that's not hooked up, and I don't want it to throw no code, so I'm just gonna go and put it all back together. So guys, I'll come back when I got it all back together. Okay guys, I got everything back hooked up. All that battery cables, bolts here. Don't forget that your clamps, I mean not your clamp, but your vacuum lines are going in the right order. So we're about to see if it crank up now. Put my light up here. Hopefully it cranks up. Let's see. Okay. She crunk up. I think I need to loosen my belt. Loosen my belt up though. She crunk up.